Instigate is a next-generation social creativity tool that will function as a next-gen ad unit, which will ultimately democratize AI. When we use the term AI, we're referring to NLP, natural language processing, the underlying technology behind chatbots and voice-activated assistants. So imagine an Instagram story that one can ask questions of. Instigate is designed to be a general-purpose tool that can create a wide range of media stories that are interlaced with interactivity. Here's an example of one from a local hip-hop artist named Triplet.
I didn't change, I feel the same, so I keep the gang with me cause I didn't change.
So hard.
I ain't never changed, so I keep the same team with me cause I never changed. I didn't change, I feel the same.
It's like Instagram or something, huh? It's hard.
Because I didn't change, I ain't never changed, never changed, so I keep the same team with me cause I never changed.
Been a beam and I'm blowing the shit. If you talking that shit, better keep you a Glock. My niggas ready to shoot up the block. Ready, be ready, my nigga. We shooting them shots. Bitch in the whip and she's flying in top. She's sucking me good, but I told her to stop.
So one reason why I love using this new app is I can create a being that helps me and my brothers promote our music and allow people to interact with that said being, to listen to my music, listen to other songs. I can create it so like the way I used to create the being, I can create it to a certain way so I can attract a certain type of following or a certain type of people. I can make it like send it to people, a certain group of people. Like I can send this being to a certain group of people that I know will like the things I like. Yeah, it's just a really good tool that right now the world doesn't have, and it's gonna be lit.
We call these interactive stories beings, and creators train their being to say what they want it to say, just like Geppetto trained Pinocchio. Here's another example of a being which uses interactivity to create an interactive music video. Adding interactivity to music videos isn't the only way that interactivity can be used in storytelling. You can change the video or direct the flow. You can answer or ask questions. And you can converse, anticipate responses, or annotate. The point is that Instigate can convert traditional one-way media stories into all sorts of interactive journeys, entities, or conversations. Now for the best part. How do we make money with Instigate? Instigate's business model is to provide direct-to-consumer brands a B2B publishing platform that will enable them to distribute Instigate beings directly to their superfans and customers. Instead of only focusing on finding new customers, we think brands today are increasingly focused on maintaining their existing customers. Instigate is a URL-based cross-platform mobile web player. It can render our interactive ads anywhere: email, SMS, Snapchat, Instagram, or even any kind of app, ad, or metaverse. We're not asking brands to stop running ads on Facebook or YouTube. We're offering them something completely new and different, something that's never been seen before, a new way to connect directly to their customers, permanently. We don't see Instigate as something competing with existing ad tech or channel marketing. We see ourselves as something completely new and complementary. Use your existing analytics, your media assets, your copy and your campaign strategy, and most importantly, your mail list. We want to give brands the ability to play around with the uncanny valley so that they can engage with their customers in new ways. Ultimately, we see our creators turning into brands. Instigate connects the exploding world of creators and influencers with a new social model. Instigate's social model has creators sharing their beings privately with their friends as an intermediate stage before they can share their beings in public. Its privacy-first approach enables creators to create a more intimate form of expression, such as diary entries, love letters, or personal messages. Instigate enables normal people, aged 10 years and up, to overcome the barriers of entry to AI without having to be a data scientist, mathematician, or programmer. So Instigate is not just a new form of self-expression, kind of like what happens after TikTok. And it's not just an AI educational platform allowing people to learn about AI by doing AI. But Instigate is also a next-gen ad unit, a DTC publishing platform. 3 things in one.